Here I am solving 11th problem of CSES problem set introductory problems, which is coin piles. You have given two coin piles containing A and B coin. On each move, you can either remove one coin from left and two coins from right, or two coins from left and one coin from right. Your task is to efficiently find out if you can empty both the piles. The first input will be T, the number of cases, and the second input will be the cases itself. Okay, print yes if we can empty and no otherwise. Let us start. First input will be A, integer input. Second input will be the sets, which will be for integer I or I in input dot split, and it will be a two-dimensional list. That's why or A in range A. Okay, so what we will be doing is going through all the sets for I in range A. V1, which will be variable 1, V2 variable 2 of current set. Variable 1 of current set will be B of I comma 0, and second variable will be B of I comma 1. Okay, now what we have to check is if variable 1 is less than equals to 2 times variable 2, then it will be possible to empty the piles, or variable 2 is less than 2 times variable 1, and summation of variable 1 and variable 2 is divisible by 3. Then and only then we can empty both the list. So I will print yes, else we will print no. Let us check for our test case. The answer should be yes, no, yes. Here we go. Thanks for watching the video.